Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So guys, in this video, we'll be implementing one web search agents with the help of FireData. So for this, what you have to do guys, first of all, you have to create one virtual environment. So for me, I already created the virtual environment. You can see demo 1 and the Python version you have to use 3.12. Okay. So how to create the environment, I think you already know that. So for this, you have to write conda create hyphen n. Then here you can specify the name of the, let's say, environment. Let's say I want to give demo, then you can specify the python is equal to 3.12. okay, like that. You can mention the command. Now if you press enter, so it will create the environment for you. Then after that you have to activate the environment with the help of this command. So conda activate mm, conda activate demo, okay, like that. So once it is done, then we have to install the requirements. Okay, so here is the requirement guys. So these are the requirement you have to install. So to install the requirement, you have to execute this command called pip install -r requirement.txt. okay, now if you hit enter, so it will install all the requirements. So for me it is already satisfied, that's why you can see, okay, it's done. So for you it will take some time. So once you have installed all the necessary, let's say, library, now here let's create a file. I'm going to name it as web search .py, or I can just write web search agent.py. And here you can see guys, I'll be using FireData, and I think you know that FireData is one of the amazing Agentic AI framework. So nowadays actually they changed the name. Let me show you. So you can see FireData. So you can see guys, this is the FireData dashboard. All right, so even you can also go to the documentation. You can see like how they have developed. So you can also visit that documentation. You can see like okay, the code example and all. So first of all, let me show you, okay, how we can create these kinds of web search agents. So here first of all, let's import some necessary libraries. So first of all, I need py.agent. I'll be importing agent. Then I need I'll be using Grok model here, so let's import it. So from py.model .grok. It supports all kinds of model. You can export, like it supports Google model, Bedrock model, okay, then OpenAI model. So we'll be importing this Grok. Done. Then I need one source tool. We'll be using DuckDuckGo. You can also use Tabili or let's say SARP API. It's up to you. So tool dot DuckDuckGo import DuckDuckGo. Then I need load env. Okay, so from dot env import load env. Now here you have to specify the Grok API key. Where you will get the Grok API key, go through the Grok playground guys. Okay, and from here you can create a API key and just try to mention it here. So for me, I've already done. Now let's initialize my load env, and it's like very easy if you're using PyData. So with very less line of code, you can create these kinds of agents. So first of all, let's initialize my web search agent. Is equal to agent, and inside that you have to give some parameter like name of the agents. Name is equal to, I want to give, let's say, web agent. Then description, this is the agent for searching content from the web, okay, website. Then you can specify the model. Model is equal to, we'll be using Grok model. So Grok, inside that you can specify the ID of the model. So here we'll be using Llama model. Okay, so you can see Grok is having different model. So we'll be using one of them. So you can see Llama model. So let's initialize one Llama model here. So this model guys will try to use. Okay, so Llama 3.370b versatile. Okay, this particular model will be using. Then we'll specify the tools. Tools wise we'll be using something called DuckDuckGo. And you don't need to give the like API key for the DuckDuckGo. Okay, so yeah, then I'll give another parameter called instructions is equal to always include the sources. Okay, sources. Then I'll give show tools call is equal to true. So these are some parameter you can check in the documentation. Then markdown is equal to, I'll make it as true. Then debug mode is equal to true. Okay, so yeah, I think it's done. Now let's do the search operation. So web search agents dot print message. Okay, print response, sorry, print response. Inside that you can give the questions. So let's say I'll give a questions. What is the capital, okay, of India? And I want a streaming output, so here I'll just write stream is equal to true. So let's check whether it's working or not. I will open up my terminal and let's execute the agent. So from a Python web search agents. Now see guys, it is doing the real-time search operation and it is showing all the logs, okay, all the reference. And you can see the capital of India is New Delhi. New Delhi is a many capitally within the national capital. Okay, so you can see this is the entire results I got. So that's how guys we can create any kinds of web search agents if you want. Okay, let's say you want to do some real-time search operation, that time you can use it. All right, so yes, this is all about our web search agents. So in the next video we'll be creating some more agents with the help of FireData. So thank you guys.